Pakistan is a country with high maternal and infant mortality. Hence, improving maternal and child health is an integral part of the country's National Development Plan, Vision 2025, Family Planning Commitment 2030, and its National Health Vision 2016 to 2025. Family planning, especially in the postpartum period, can help women plan and space their births for optimal health outcomes. Momentum Country and Global Leadership, funded by USAID and led by Jhpiego Pakistan, partners with Pakistan's Department of Health and Department of Population Welfare to achieve national and international commitments for family planning and to improve the health of mothers and children. With partners Khyber Medical University and Ayub Medical College, the project is improving access to quality postpartum family planning services or PPFP in health facilities in District Hangu and Kohat of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saima Mithas. I work as a community midwife here in Kohat. As part of my service, I used to attend patients in my area who were expecting. But I thought that it was also part of my job to tell them about family planning, let alone options like IUCD or family planning. I was chosen to be part of the Momentum project and was given training to talk to every patient that came for checkup. Initially, it was very difficult to talk to the people of my community about family planning and why is it important for their health. 15 public health facilities, 2 reproductive health centers, and 29 private community midwife clinics were strengthened under this project.
MCGL project का हमें पता इस तरह से चला कि डायरेक्टरेट लेवल पे MOU साइन हुआ। कोहाट और हंगू के डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं, पहले ये इग्नोर होते रहे हैं। PPFP के हवाले से इतना थॉरोली काम भी नहीं हुआ था। अनमेट नीड वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा थी।
ये जो प्रोजेक्ट था उसने हमारे हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर जो थे, हमारे हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स, उनको भी ट्रेन किया। मुख्तलिफ जो ट्रेनिंग्स थे, उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग्स थी, खासकर फैमिली प्लानिंग के हवाले से। और इंशाल्लाह ये कमिंग फ्यूचर में जो अपने हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के लिए और अपनी पुअर कम्युनिटी के लिए अपने सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करेंगे। और इसी के साथ साथ उधर बीमार सेंटर्स भी हमने डेवलप किया हुआ है और उसके लैब्स के लिए भी उन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट दिया हुआ है। और इंशाल्लाह हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ओनर्स की तरफ से सपोर्ट आ जाए। तकरीबन हमारे जो प्राइमरी वैम प्रोजेक्ट है उसमें हमने 200 BHUs और 50 RHs की अपग्रेडेशन 24/7 के लिए की हुई है। तो अगर जिधर कुछ इश्यूज है, गैप्स है, तो डोनर्स इसी तरह आते हैं और वो गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है। और उसकी एग्जाम्पल हमने हांगू और गुवाहाटी जैसे पेरिफेरल एरियाज में देख लिए।
The program model included postpartum family planning implementation at health facility levels by implementing health facility improvement plans, equipping health facilities, and community midwife clinics. The program also emphasized on training and supportive supervision of service providers on informed choice of family planning methods and quality service provision.
Postpartum family planning has been a known high-impact intervention for saving women's lives. We prioritized KP province to help scale up the postpartum family planning agenda since the provincial indicators pointed towards that need. There was a need for strengthening providers as well as the service delivery for postpartum family planning services. We focused on institutionalization and along with the government of KP and engaging the community health workers, we also involved the local institutions such as the Khyber Medical University and Ayub Medical College.
Under the project, staff including doctors, nurses, lady health visitors, community midwives, family welfare assistants, and family welfare counselors were also trained on providing quality healthcare facilities to mothers, as well as awareness raising and provision of services regarding family planning and reproductive healthcare facilities to the couples of the targeted area.
मोमेंटम प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से हमारे पॉपुलेशन डिपार्टमेंट में इनकी टीम आई थी। उन्होंने हमें बाकायदा से PPFP के बारे में ट्रेनिंग दी थी। उस ट्रेनिंग में हमें बड़ी डिटेल से आगाही दी गई कि PPFP पे किस तरह से अमल करके एक ख़ानदान को खुशगवार ज़िंदगी की तरफ ले जाया जा सकता है।
I started telling my patients about the IUCD method which can help them for family planning.
I had received trainings from MCGL team how to implement the services and also how to counsel my patients to use this method. Like I mentioned before, it is not an easy task to talk about this, but many couples are beginning to understand the need. Those who are using the services are also telling other women. I think it is a slow change, but a change although. The project had a profound impact in the targeted area with awareness raising and provision of quality health and family planning services. Lessons from this project are expected to be useful to stakeholders hoping to operationalize PPFP in other parts of the country.
We are thankful to that MCGL that they have established Center of Excellency in our hospital, so in which we also train our staff and also the staff from the hospitals in the vicinity. They are also trained here, and it's very useful, not only for today but also for tomorrow.
मैं मशकूर हूँ जपाएगो का, जिन्होंने 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कुहाट में और हंगो में ट्रेनिंग करवा दी, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करवा दी, हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स की वहाँ पे BHOs को इन्होंने इक्विपमेंट्स दे दी, अवेयरनेस करा दी, और इसी 2 डिस्ट्रिक्टों की जो हमारे लेसन लर्न जो बातें हैं, इंशाल्लाह वो हम बाकी प्रोविंस में भी इंशाल्लाह इम्प्लीमेंट कर देंगे.
Momentum is not just a project. It's a long-term model for achieving quality healthcare services and meeting health and family planning indicators of Pakistan. It was not an easy target, but with commitment, right planning and approach, success is not far.